Oh, you're joking. I've put the tree up on Sunday. Catched up with day 7. And try to do this as well. So once I'll put that on there, I'll put it over there, and then I'll put number 8 in there. I'll show you it, and I'll put it over there. I'm nearly finished. No cross stitch jigsaw. No cross stitch. Christmas jigsaw, but I'm nearly finished my Home Sweet Home sampler. I just got round the corner to doing that's it. So that's all I could say for the now. So I'll just once I get these bits done here, I'll put them in and put the phone over there to show you them, right? Okay. Hi everyone, it's me again. That's number 7. Oh, that's 7th of December done. So that's a thumbs up. On to doing number 8. I can fit it. Number 8, here we come. And I'll do number 9. Take these 2. Right. Oof. Hi everyone, it's me again. This there is day 8 done. So I'm going to do day 9 and that'll be it, update it. So see you in a bit. Hi everybody, it's me again. Morning from Most Crafts. That is day 9 catched up. 7, 8, 9. 42 pieces in each bit. So that's 7, 8 and 9 catched up. So thanks for watching, and I'll try and get some more advent on tomorrow. Okay, so right, bye bye.